In today's video, I'll teach you how to make seamless color changes like this sample that I have here and avoid color mixing like this sample while making any kind of color changes in your amigurumi creations. So the main difference between these two samples here is because in this one, every time we make color changes, we make them in exactly the round that we are working on. So if in the following round I want to continue increasing, I will only worry about the rounds that I am currently working on. While in this one, I have to start preparing the next round in the rounds that I am currently working. It might seem complicated, but believe me, it's not. So the way that we usually do our color changes, and just so you know, there is nothing wrong with this method that I am demonstrating right now. Okay, it's completely normal. It's the way that we usually do most of the color changes in our amigurumi. The way that we usually do it is we crochet. I already have both yarns attached here. So you see that since I am creating a triangle, I am always making one single crochet, one more white single crochet to the right and one more to the left. So I can continue creating this triangle shape. So if I have one white single crochet here, in the next round, I want another white single crochet. You can simply keep both loops of the brown yarn in your crochet hook and attach the white yarn here and make the single crochet. This is one possibility. Or another way that I really like and many people like to do as well, you finish the single crochet, insert the crochet hook like this diagonally. Let me zoom in. You insert the crochet hook like this, grab the white yarn and single crochet in the next one. And with this brown loop that is here, you just pull the thread and it won't escape. It's perfectly attached. And this is the usual way that we make color changes. You just keep crocheting the single crochet. And once again, in the other side, I will make one more because remember, it's a triangle that we are creating. And you can see that we are making the color changes. It's increasing in every round because I am always making one extra stitch in white in the following round. It's totally fine, but we see that the yarn colors are mixing here. We see a little bit of brown in the white triangle, and we see that the yarn is also mixing a little bit here, and perhaps this is not the effect that you want. So now let's move on so I can teach you how to do exactly this effect here. Again, you see that it's exactly the same pattern, the same idea that I am creating here. And I continue to create one extra single crochet in white to the right and one single crochet to the left. It's exactly the same pattern. In this round here, you see that I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets in white. In the following one, since I am making one more single crochet to the right and one more to the left, I will have 7 single crochets. This is exactly what I did here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But in the next one, I will have 9. So in the current rounds that I'm working, I have to worry about the next one. This is the main difference. And how do we do that? We will make the next single crochet. I already have the 7 stitches that I want in this round. I will close the single crochet, and you see that I have the single crochet in brown, but the top of the single crochet is white. I will continue crocheting and I will show you how it looks like in the following round. Okay, so I am here now. I continued crocheting. And now let's think about it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single crochets. In the next one, in the round that I am currently working on, I want 9 single crochets. So I will have one here on top of the white that I prepared and one here on top of the white. So I will end up with 9 single crochets in this round, 9 white single crochets. But in the next one, after the rounds that I am working, I want 11 because I'm continuing increasing this triangle. So as I said, I have to prepare this round. So now what we will do is I have one more single crochet in brown, then I change to white, I insert, this is the one that I'm preparing for the next round, okay? I insert the crochet hook here, I grab the brown yarn, but I finish with the white yarn. And what happens here, I have a brown single crochet, but the top of the single crochet is white. So now it's prepared for the next round. And in this round that I want to make 9 single crochets, I insert the crochet hook on the top that I prepared in the previous round, make the single crochet, and we don't have the mixing color effect that we had here in this other sample. I will make it in the other side so you can see it again. I got to the other side. So here I have the top of the stitch prepared because I did this in the previous round and I finish, but now I want to prepare for the next round. So I insert the crochet hook here in the following round. I grab the brown thread and I finish the single crochet. And I will continue crocheting this round. And you see that now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 single crochets in this round, but the next round is already prepared to have 11 single crochets in white. And that's it. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new tutorial tips and tricks that I bring here every week.